Are you looking for the best Keurig machine? In this video we will look at some of the 8 best Keurig machine on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall. The Carafe is as fast and convenient as any other Keurig, but it stands above the rest because it offers a wide array of drink options and customization. The machine is equipped with a dishwasher-safe milk frother and a shot mode to brew 2 ounces of highly concentrated, espresso-style coffee. It's not true espresso, but it's suitable for lattes and cappuccinos. Plus, the Carafe is cheaper than most dedicated espresso machines. The milk frother produced a layer of fluffy peaks in our tests, however, we were disappointed to find unwhipped milk beneath the froth rather than a uniform texture. On the standard coffee side, the Carafe passed our tests with flying colors. It produced strong, hot coffee, brewed cups in all 4 sizes in 65 seconds or less, and was very simple to operate. The milk frother attachments are also dishwasher safe, a rarity for the mostly hand-wash-only Keurig line. The Carafe's drip tray is removable to fit a tall to-go cup, and its 60-ounce reservoir is enough to make 5 extra-large coffees without needing to refill. The machine has an attractive, sleek look, but it's an odd shape that takes up more counter space than it needs to. On the other hand, if you'll be brewing coffee drinks every morning, it's worth dedicating the square footage. Water tank capacity, 60 ounces frothing, yes strong brew, yes dimensions, 12.5 x 15.3 x 11.7 inches. Number 2. Best budget. One of Keurig's major appeals is its simplicity. Just stick a pod in the machine, press a button, and enjoy hot coffee in seconds. The K-Express epitomizes that experience, and it's one of the cheapest Keurig coffee makers available, making it the best option for coffee lovers on a budget. There are some trade-offs, however. The K-Express doesn't come with any frills. It brews cups in 8, 10, and 12 ounces and has a regular and strong brew mode, and that's about it. Yet, it performed better than some pricier models in our tests. Another benefit is the compact design. It's less than 5 inches wide, making it easy to slide away on the counter when not in use. The water reservoir is removable, which is a bonus. However, it's smaller than average, with a 42-ounce capacity. You'll need to refill it often, but the capacity is enough to make 3 or 4 cups before the water runs out. Water tank capacity, 42 ounces frothing, no strong brew, yes dimensions, 12.6 x 4.6 x 12.9 inches. Number 3. Best customizable. With the K Supreme Plus, users can modify several brewing parameters to suit their preferences. There are 3 brew strengths, 3 temperatures, and 5 drink size options. Additionally, the machine saves 3 different user profiles, so you can brew coffee exactly how you want with one touch of a button. It also brews a slightly stronger cup meant to be poured over ice. Its 78-ounce reservoir is larger than most models and can make a lot of coffee before being refilled, and it's removable, too, making it easy to refill when it finally does get empty. While the coffee was strong and easy to customize, we noted a couple of criticisms after testing the machine. The K Supreme Plus brews slower than most Keurig models, taking over 1 minute to make a cup, whereas other models were as quick as 28 seconds. Overall, however, that's still fast for a cup of coffee. It's also fairly difficult to clean because you have to disassemble and wash all the pieces by hand. Water tank capacity, 78 ounces frothing, no strong brew, yes dimensions, 13.4 x 8.3 x 12.2 inches. Number 4. Best for lattes. The Carafe Smart earns its name for 2 reasons. First, Keurig's Brew ID system reads the pod you insert and suggests optimal brew settings. Second, the machine connects to the Keurig app, which lets you start your coffee from bed, even via Alexa or another smart assistant. To satiate latte lovers and cappuccino connoisseurs, the Carafe features a built-in milk frother that works with hot or cold milk. We found it extremely effective with multiple types of milk, including non-dairy ones. Keurig managed to fit all this into a frame that's 4 inches slimmer than the original Carafe, saving customers valuable counter space. The item also has a large and easy-to-remove water reservoir that holds up to 60 ounces. As you might expect, you pay for the increased tech. The Carafe Smart is expensive for a Keurig coffee maker. Water tank capacity, 60 ounces frothing, yes strong brew, yes dimensions, 12.7 x 11 x 17.2 inches. Number 5. Best high volume. This machine stands up to heavy traffic. A simple touch screen controls the brew temperature and other settings, and the unit can make a cup of coffee in 4 different sizes. The drip tray is removable, so you can fill a travel mug or taller cup of coffee easily. The Office Pro's huge 90-ounce reservoir appeals to avid coffee drinkers. It can brew more than 20 small cups or 9 large ones between refills. We found the Office Pro extremely easy to use, with a touch screen that's pretty much self-explanatory. The water tank needs a few minutes to heat up when first turned on, but afterward, it brews all but the 10-ounce cup in less than a minute. The 10-ounce cup took a minute and 12 seconds, which is still solid. The adjustable temperature works accurately and is a nice feature, but we missed the ability to set the strength of the brew like we were able to do with the other Keurig machines. A nice feature, especially if you're using the machine in an office break room, is that all the pieces come apart easily for cleaning. Given its heavy-duty performance, the Office Pro is one of the most expensive Keurig coffee makers. Water tank capacity, 90 ounces frothing, no strong brew, no dimensions, 13.9 x 10.4 x 14 inches. Number 6. Best with Carafe. This machine combines the design of a classic Keurig with a 12-cup drip coffee maker. The K-Cup side dispenses cups in sizes of 8, 10, and 12 ounces, while the Carafe side can brew 8, 10, or 12 cups at a time. It works exactly like a regular drip coffee maker, which we found straightforward and familiar. You use paper filters and whatever ground coffee you like, giving you a wider selection of options than the K-Cup format. Despite its dual brewing ability, the K-Duo is an average price for a Keurig, making it a great value for money option. In testing, we missed the temperature and brew strength controls that other Keurigs offer. We also found that the K-Duo Essentials took longer to make single servings of coffee than normal, partially because the whole reservoir has to heat up before using either the Carafe or K-Cup side. However, it only took a little over 9 minutes to fill the Carafe with 12 cups, which outperformed the other 2 Carafe models we tested. Water tank capacity, 60 ounces frothing, no strong brew, no dimensions, 15.8 x 15.7 x 15.8 inches. Number 7. Best for small spaces. The K-Slim Plus Iced has the brewing power of a larger Keurig coffee maker but comes in a compact shape you can slide between other countertop items. It's less versatile than most Keurig models since it doesn't offer customization over drink strength or temperature, but it does have a special brew over ice mode that we found strong and tasty. The controls couldn't be simpler, as it starts to brew immediately when you close the lid. If you forget to put a mug in place, the drip tray also holds a full accidental brew so you don't get coffee all over the counter. The biggest downside we found in our testing is that coffee grounds consistently end up in the bottom of the cup. That was a surprisingly uncommon issue in our Keurig tests, only a handful of the models left any sediment in the coffee. The water tank is on the smaller side at 46 ounces, but that's expected given the machine's small frame. Water tank capacity, 46 ounces frothing, no strong brew, no dimensions, 12.1 x 4.7 x 15.2 inches. Number 8. Best design. Keurig's K-Duo Plus lets users select between a single cup of coffee or a full pot. The single serve option uses K-cups, but the Carafe works with any ground coffee you have on hand. Brewing a full 12-cup pot takes around 10 minutes, which is slower than a standard drip coffee maker, but there's a pause and pour function for users to remove the carafe and serve a cup before the pot finishes brewing. The thermal carafe keeps coffee warm for over an hour, so your refill will be just as tasty as the first cup. The K-Duo Plus is the smallest machine in Keurig's K-Duo line, making it a great option for people who want to save kitchen space. The water tank can also be positioned on the sides or the back of the brewer based on what works best for your countertop. This is the most expensive brewer in the K-Duo line, but the parts feel durable and high-end, especially the stainless steel carafe. Water tank capacity, 60 ounces frothing, no strong brew, yes. Dimensions, 14.2 x 7.7 x 15.9 inches.